is my name, and you may think it strange to live at a court, yet never to change, to faction or tyranny equally for the good of the lands, there's all motive I know. The foes of my country and king I have faced, in city or battle I never was disgraced. I've done what I could for my country's weal. Now I'll feast upon bannocks or barley meal. Ye riots and revels of London, adieu, and follow ye foplings, I leave her to you. For Scotland I mingled in a bustle and strife, for myself I seek peace and an innocent life. I'll haste to the Highlands and visit each scene, with Maggie, my love, in her Rockley green. On the banks of Glen Arry, what pleasure I'll feel, while she shares my bannock or barley meal. And if it chance Maggie should bring me a son, he shall fight for his king as his father hath done. I'll hang up my sword with an old soldier's pride. Oh, may he be worthy to wear it on his side. I pant for the breeze of my love native place. I long for the smile of each welcoming face. I'll off to the Highlands as fast as I can reel, and feast upon bannocks or barley meal.